A 2004 Yamaha Roadstar 1700 that's been bobbered out. Go around real quick on the aftermarket stuff, then we'll get it running. Front fender, headlight, the aftermarket. I do have the cover for that fuel pump right there, which is a chrome cover, so I still got to put that on, no big deal. Aftermarket seat, Frisco tank. I think I put 2 gallons in. It's like almost half full, a little bit more, so that's a big tank for what it is. The original front fender I chopped and cut and made for the rear, so it fits the tire perfectly. These are factory wheels, good shape. 2-in-1 Vance & Hines exhaust, sounds really good. Carbureted model, so you could take this off and put a different air filter on there if you wanted to. Want to spruce it up. There's a couple other things. I do have the factory gauges, which are electronic, that can go with the bike. I didn't cut any wires on the bike, so if you wanted to figure out how to mold it in up there, you could. The plug sits right here, and you can pull that out and plug it in, and you can have your miles, which are about 28,000 miles on this bike. And it's a 1,700cc carbureted bike. Turn it on. There you go. Runs the rides down the road great. Definitely a cool bike. And a lot of people talking about this bike. Well, what is that? What is that? What is that? Is that a Harley Sportster? And you're just gonna laugh at them. Say, no, that's not an 883. It's 1,700cc. Twice the size of a Sportster. So there you go. 2004 Roadstar 1,700cc carbureted. It does have a fuel pump. I don't know why they do that, but that's the way it is. I left it alone. So I looked online. They said you need to do rejet this, that. So I just leave the fuel pump on there. And I don't know if I said it already, but I do have the chrome cover for it. There you go.